Ready to supercharge your USB-C ports? Meet the Anker USB-C adapter, the pocket-sized powerhouse turning data transfer into a speed race. These dynamic adapters aren't just quick, they're the Usain Bolt of the tech world, sprinting through files like they're racing against time. Whether you're syncing photos, shuffling documents, or juicing up your gadgets, these adapters handle it all with the elegance of a ballroom dancer and the zip of a street racer. Slim enough to plug two side by side into your MacBook Pro, they're styled in durable, scratch-resistant space gray aluminum. These adapters are built to last, enduring up to 10,000 plugins, and with a 5 gigabytes per second transfer rate, they move movies, music, and more in seconds. Expand your MacBook's capabilities stylishly without ever having to choose which USB-A device to connect. Experience ultimate functionality and style with the Anker A8731 USB-C to USB 3.0 female adapter. Your tech life just got a major upgrade. Okay, I've got a nap to take, so I'll see you next time.